The Ateneo de Davao University preschool and grade school admissions are now open. Here are the easy steps for admission application. Step 1. No admission test needed. Simply visit newgs.adu.edu.ph/admissions/ for the online admission form and submission of requirements. Fill out, upload, then submit. Requirements for transfer and new pupil applicants. Scanned or clear photo of PSA birth certificate. Scanned or clear photo of the latest available report card or DepEd Form 138, at least second quarter for incoming grades 1 to 5. Scanned or clear photo of applicant's recent 2x2 ID picture. Scanned or clear photo of Certificate of Good Moral, if available. Step 2. Receiving of the NOA or Notice of Acceptance. The Notice of Acceptance or NOA is an acceptance letter given to the applicant's parents or official guardian through email that indicates the applicant's admission status. Easy application, no entrance test, no admissions fee.